In this video, I'll show you how to change your username for track changes in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, what does this mean? When you edit a document using track changes, Word shows who made each change. For example, I commented on this saying this is incorrect, but it's showing my name as Patrick E, not Patrick Elliott. So I want to change this. To do this, we can go to Markup and click on this arrow, select it once. Then go to Change Username, select it. It will then take us straight to personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. From here, I can see clearly that it says Patrick E, not Patrick Elliott. For now, by simply making that change, it should be reflected over here. Click OK. Then select OK once more, but because this is predated, it won't get updated. So now if I make a new one, I can see it says Patrick Elliott. For many of you, you have been given an email address from your work or your school, and you're told to use the data and the name that is associated with that establishment. To do this, we need to click Markup again here with the little arrow, then click Change Username. Now, always use these values regardless of signing to Office. As you can see here, right at the top, this is my image, but it's not being used for these two. That's because I've bypassed it. So if I untick this, then click OK, then click OK again, and now make a new comment, it will show that it's using the information associated with my Microsoft account. So to recap, go to Markup, select on the arrow, then click Change Username. If you want to have a custom username, we've got to select this. If you need to have the username given to you by your establishment, your work, or your school, then you may need to keep this on. Bear that in mind. But remember, these don't automatically update, so just make sure you're using the correct username before you make the changes. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you'll learn other tips and tricks about Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.